today I want to show you how I wash my baby's cloth diapers using a twin tub washing machine. I hope you like this tutorial and I talk to you guys later. So today I'm going to show you how I wash using my regular twin tub washing machine. So this is the load that I'm going to wash today. I believe there are like 13 or 14 diapers in it. I've already removed the inserts and this is ready to be washed. This is my twin tub washing machine and the brand is Whirlpool and the model number is LWT 800 White Magic and it's an 8 kilogram load. And right now I've already have water because I wanted to show you how much water do you need to wash it on this type of washing machine. So right there's that level. I always this is always an indication for me. So I always make sure that there's enough water and there's enough room at the bottom when I load the diapers in it. I want to make sure there's enough space at the bottom because I don't want the snaps to get through these things. If your washing machine doesn't have those kind of, like, I don't know what it's called, but yeah, so if you don't have that, maybe you shouldn't worry too much. But since I have those things, I really need to make sure there's enough space in my enough space between those little things and my diapers. But okay, so here is the whole load. I have the pockets and the insert in here, and if you push it, you see there's still a lot of room at the bottom, so it's not going to reach the bottom of the washer and it's not gonna hit the snaps, which can be bad because it may ruin it. So yeah, that is this is my pre-wash, and before I wash it with a detergent, I always make sure that I pre-wash them. It's not it's a regular thing for me. I do this with all my loads of laundry. I always pre-wash, but yeah, I just when I I read an article that it's really good to pre-wash them before using a detergent because you're going to take out all the poop and the urine. So I'm going to set it to, maybe I want to set it to 6 minutes. Oh, 6, no, 9 minutes. And I'll be back. So this is the water looks like after you pre-wash them. So if you see if you didn't pre-wash, that's how the water is gonna look like. What I'm going to do here is I'm going to put them in the spinner dryer so that it will take out the water. Sometimes I just squeeze them, but for today I just wanted to spin dry them. Right there, it's already spin drying. So next step is washing it with detergent. So I put about the same amount of water and I'm going to scoop up one. I'm going to use, so I'm using Cycle's mild laundry detergent in washing my cloth diapers, and for me this is the best one that really works. Unfortunately, there's still a downside to it. It's just too hard to rinse, but it's okay. I'm going to have a separate review with it. Now I'm going to put just this much, maybe there, and I'm going to set it to 15 then I'm going to put all the diapers that I spin dried in here. So I've already finished washing the diapers, and what I do after the wash with detergent, I spin dry them again just to take out all of the excess soap, and this way it's going to be easier to rinse. So I'm putting them all here. So after the first rinse, I have to spin dry it again. So this method helps me to rinse the diapers faster, and it helps me save water. So what I'm going to do is, this is the first rinse. I'm going to do the same method 3 to 4 times depending on how much soap I need to take off from, depending on how much detergent I need to take off from the diaper. So we'll check back later after the third if it's good enough. Third rinse is done, and as you can see, there's no more detergent on top, and the water is clear. So I can spin dry this already. So I'm going to spin dry it and hang them. So I finished all the washing, and now it's time to hang the diapers. Normally I would hang it inside the house and then hang it by the window the next morning. So I'm going to show you how I hang and dry my diapers. So this is my window, and I hang all the diapers there. Drying them under the sun is one of the most important things you could do with your diapers, because it could help eliminate the odor if there is still some after the wash, and yeah, and of course it's going to be easily dried. So there you have it. So that's how I wash my baby's cloth diapers. And just to recap, of course you have to remove, just to recap, pre-wash, wash with detergent, rinse and spin dry at the same, rinse and then spin dry, rinse and spin dry after the 3 to 5 times, as long as you know that it's good enough. And then of course hang them and sun dry them, and then you're good to go. You just need to organize them later. I hope you find this tutorial helpful, and if you have any questions, just comment down below. If you like this video, thumbs up and subscribe for more videos in the coming future. Thanks for watching.